side. Oh, I see.
This is the get her out guru.
So, do the slate with my fingers.
It will be heavy when it comes off, so
It's alright, I got it.
by heavy I mean hot, Bruce.
Yeah, it's heavy on this end.
Yeah. It's quite a decent bit of thread there.
Huh?
It's quite a decent length of
Yeah,
thread.
it's a lot longer than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah, we got, give it some coolant.
Alright, so the saga continues. The Australian made, what do we call this? Level 10 puzzle.
Piece of shit.
These implements of extraction are good for warming the cockles here.
What are we doing?
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
It'll take a fair pounding.
I might take that one out while we're at it anyway.
Yeah, as well.
We've got a shifter there. Now you want to go over there, hang it on the wall,
Yep.
and see if we can get hold of that brass thingy. Hang on, you've got to get a bit better grip. Let me just get a bit more warmth in there.
I knew these were Barcos.
Huh?
It's reverse.
Oh, they're both, yeah, I've got some like that and some like that. Never understood why they did that, but
Oh, it's madness.
I'll try and see if we can get hold. Come to, yeah, you want to come as much far that way as you possibly can. I'm sure it might be a bit more.
Vice grips?
No, no, we just, a little bit more warmth. You know the problem with aluminium, don't you? It doesn't turn red like steel, so you don't know when you've actually overdone it. It just seems to go with the plot.
It just runs.
And it gets a nice symmetrical feeling.
Well, that crackling sound sounds like sealant shitting itself.
I haven't tightened up the that enough, so it's not sealing properly. It's got a bit of backfire. Yeah, it's the way you hold your mouth, you know that.
Yeah.
You've got to bite your tongue. Alright, there you go. So there you go.
No, it's just we've taken too much off the bottom there. That's why you need to.
Come round again. I'll get there. There somewhere. Going?
Yeah, it's good.
No. You're the one that's got the grip.
Spanner might do it, man.
That's a Dowadat,
Ah, yes.
as old as the hills, almost as old as me. Probably older.
No.
You chewed it away, there's not much left, is there? There we go.
No, that's just nearly
Slipping.
Well, it doesn't go by heat, it goes by more heat. Orifices there that we've broken through might get some heat into the inside as well. It looks like some rubber burning.
That's got halfway all the way through.
No going back now.
Separating metal.
That looked like it moved pretty easy. Why don't you just do that the first time, Bruce?
Huh?
Why don't you just do that the first time?
Watch your fingers.
That's what the gloves are for.
Don't ruin his gloves.
You can picture that specimen.
Oh, yeah.
Exhibit A.
Nice.
That's a new age elbow, or part thereof. Now, let's see if we can make this turn. Now, normally I would be putting, I'll go with that glove.
Yep.
Thank you.
Gotcha. C-span.
Because I want to be able to put some pressure on there. Okay, now, you want to hold on to the,
Yep.
do that, and let's see if this is going to turn.
You're pulling towards you.
That has turned.
Reference marks.
Okay, it's turned to the
Hey!
reference.
Now you've lost your purchase on it though, with the whole.
Yeah. So,
But now we've got our big spanner that will.
But we've advanced.
Hey, but we've got our big spanner over here.
Yeah.
Now we can
But it
use.
needs some fine tuning.
Now we can use our big spanner, Bruce.
Yeah, but the problem was, I could probably get a bit out of it.
Just a small
No,
bit of
not
rope.
quite tangled.
Now we've got our big spanner.
Yeah.
Bash that pin there, and then it'll fit back in. Just press the recording button.
Yeah.
There you go.
My spanner came in handy after all.
Bit of heavy hand bastard engineering going on here.
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no!
You're stuck on the
Don't go
knob.
anywhere, don't go anywhere, don't go anywhere, don't go anywhere, don't go anywhere. Don't move.
And lift it and turn it around.
No, don't.
Oh. Oh.
Just take that handle off.
Yeah, but I could just turn this
Well, do
spanner
what you
around.
want. Yeah. Then you're going to bash and crash again, you're taking it out. You only get half a turn, this way you get a whole turn.
Alright. Check that out, eh?
Uh-oh.
Hold it or what? You gonna hold it or what?
Yeah, careful it doesn't spin out though. not holding by much.
Good, me too. Hey, check it out. See? Easy. And that should go, so don't break it.
I think there's 3 layers in there. Might have to get these bolts
Yeah, I
out
think-
first.
yeah, I think-
Let's get into the water first. Cool it down.
Yeah. That looks like progress.
Have you got pictures of what you're taking out of here?
Oh yeah, 1 or 2. Check it. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, there can't be anything special in there.
It's just no ring. It's just there.
Yep. It's 3/5 of bugger all.
Which is what I suspected, but that
Getting
stagnant
to it.
water has really gummed it up.
Yeah.
Let's have a look at these nuts and bolts. Take them to custody. Well,
Yeah.
from what I can see,
And that's why you've got your slip ring here, is to hold it so it doesn't fall off. And how far off the drawing was that, eh? Pretty bloody mince. How's that for X-ray vision? Yeah. How's that for X-ray vision, mate? I even drew it the right size too. Look at that. Look at that. See,
gonna wet
this
himself in a
piece
minute.
come out like that. That's a nut screwed onto there. I picked it. Oh, look, says second one. 2 O-rings.
And there's a water area around there as well.
I did drown this thing in penetrating before trying it. It didn't work. It didn't penetrate.
So that was the guess. And that's the actual. Hey, that's pretty good. Hole in the end.
Well,
That's repairable,
Yeah,
and that's replaceable.
yeah.
Tell you what though, I might veil myself off the oxy to break that.
It's probably already hot now, or is it?
That's
No, you just cut it,
broken
didn't you? Yeah.
But that would work. All right to help myself to a still?
Yeah, go for it. So that you could even probably just drill and tap a bolt into that, plug it.
Epoxy.
Yeah,
Araldite, good old fashioned araldite.
cool.
Or flexane or similar. I don't think these are actually garden variety, but I'm sure they're available.
Oh yeah. Mate,
Marcus could do a much better job of cleaning that than I can, though.
yeah,
I'm very primitive when it comes to cleaning.
but I don't charge anywhere near as much as you.
That's true.
Your little knob.
You know what?
Your little knob.
Yeah, I think that's in my pocket.
Oh, check that out.
Well, where did it go?
Something's on the floor over here.
Is that meant to be an O-ring, is it?
Meant to be.
You find a little...
Did not.
I thought I picked it up and put it in a sort
What's
of...
that?
That little
Plastic bung.
friction divorce thing.
The who?
The little insert for here.
No, no.
It's weird.
Oh, that's another kit's ready to go, is it, mate?
What's that?
It's just going so bloody hard.
Yeah.
I don't think the heat would have done him any damage. It's weird.
I thought it was down here, but...
That was sitting on the frame, but I thought I could put it in my pocket.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe I'll put it in a different pocket. Oh, what's this?
Yeah. How about use that one till we find the
Definitely
other
like
one?
a goldfish.
Use that one till we find the other one.
That's one tough O-ring. Ah, you bugger.
Doesn't want to give up, does it? Is it a square section seal or it's an O-ring?
Used to be an O-ring, now it's square.
Yeah, just locked up over the years. And
Maybe the only way to keep this thing alive would be to pull it apart every few years. Yeah,
there's a bit of
Silicone-
water-resistant
rubber grease.
oil or something like that. But you're right. It's probably the only thing you can do.
It's not very bright because it doesn't have. It's not easily serviceable.
Well, it is
Well, if
for the people that you pay them to service it, you know.
yeah, they would have done zero difference to what you did.
It's really dried up.
Sweet. Now you got a sample as to what size O-ring you need.
Yeah, and I think they're two different sizes too.
Okay.
Really?
Just a second. I'll tell you. .2813, 28.4, which one? 121.8, 3 mil.
This was the second one that came out.
Right.
Be more luck and good judgment if I got anything like that here. .28 is close to 1.25, so it could be imperial. And you know there's about 47,000 different types of O-rings.